just yoga pack, breathing exercise.
Another day, another hike. So today is Will's birthday. What's the place that we're heading to?
Haad Yuan.
Haad Yuan.
And then Haad Thian.
There you go. It's a tough hike. Another day, another hike. It's a hot day. And we're excited about it.
Yay! Heidi, Heido, on the boulot. Heidi, Heido, Heidi, Heido, Heidi, 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 Heido, Heidi, on the boulot. No break, no sweat. Heidi, 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 Heido.
It's not too bad at the moment.
Yeah, you can talk now.
5 minutes later.
None of us are that fit. This is quite a challenge.
Oh God. And
We're having another break. It's all good. As I said, we're not very fit as a group.
Got him!
and like one adventure, one hike, 1 hour. Survivor 2.0. We haven't wild man in a while.
Man vs. Wild. Dun, 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 dun. Ow. Stabbed. I'm gonna be itchy. Finally made it, we made it, we made it, we made it!
Lucy can do it!
We're gonna walk down here now. We'll see you soon, bitch.
Bitch.
Bitch!
Going down!
I'm yelling timber. We came from Haad Yuan. That was 3.9 kilometers we just hiked. And now we are going 900 more meters.
I don't understand why people can eat it. The fry.
Is it okay to touch its back?
No.
Now it's hurting my toes.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Hi. We've come to a resort now. The end of the path. I assume that the beach is through there. It looks like one, kind of. There's little babies. Little babies. I think this is Daddy. He's scary. He looks like Darth Maul. His face.
Oh wow.
Hello.
And they go like,
Yeah, you sit down. I don't want you to fall. Oh. Sawadee Cup.
Hello? ทำอะไร ทำอะไร
That's crazy.
go, 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 go.
What's up? What the fuck? So we're leaving the wavy beach now, and we're gonna go make our way along this bridge over here. This bridge feels like it might break at any moment.
What?
I said feels like it might break at any moment.
I'm not that fat.
Gee, look at these sticks. It's safe. And we head back into the forest, making our way to the second beach now. We walk past. Is it okay? No. You're protecting the house. They protect, but they do not attack. So we made it onto the last beach for the day. It's lovely. We're done swimming though. We're just gonna call a boat now to come and pick us up and take us home. How you doing? Looking at you. She got attacked by mosquitoes.
Okay.
Here's our boat. Woo! We're getting picked up and taken back to Haad Yuan Beach where our scooters are waiting for us. This is cool. Let's go, team! Our boat has come for us. Yay! We have to walk around the back of some bungalows and go to another beach because the waves are a little bit too heavy here. Back to Haad Yuan. This is Walking Street during COVID times. Ghost town. This street is falling apart. It's abandoned.
It's really sad to see actually. Everything got destroyed.
We made it! And we back, and we back. Bye!